Ding dong, it's the Avon Lady. Hello, it's Susie here with another Avon unboxing. 2.5 years after the last one. I did not realize it had been that long. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm still an Avon Lady. My background has changed a little bit. Not much else. But anyway, the order. Normally, I would be holding the box to show you, but this time it's a little too big. So sitting here over at my side, this is for campaign 6 of 2023. Scoot it closer and let's get into it. Ow. Ouchie. Don't hurt my thumb. I'm trying to get the flaps out of the way. Got some bubble wrap. Oh, good. They put it all on top. Okay. We got some Timeless deodorant roll-ons. The Timeless. She also ordered Timeless perfume. Cologne. I actually have this one and I love it. I also have the roll-on deodorant and I do wear them on occasion. I like it. But so my customer got, it was buy one get one free. So she's got two of them. She also bought another Cologne spray. Topaze. There's an E at the end. I'm not personally familiar with this one. Then we have FMG Glimmer SuperExtend Nourishing Mascara. Most of the stuff are for customer orders. Well, these first few things anyway. So I'm pretty sure everything underneath this is mine. Then we have Gel Finish 7-in-1 Nail Enamel in the color Dazzle Pink Splendor Rose. I'd want to open it up and show you, but again, it is a customer's order, so I don't want to get into it. Because then we also have two lipsticks. FMG Glimmer. Where are the shades? Where are the shades? Hibiscus and Blaze. I believe she had ordered 2 more shades, but they're not available. If we ran out of stock, I don't remember exactly. There might have been another, hold on. No, that's the only nail polish. Yeah, there were 4 lipsticks. Sometimes that happens. We run out of stock. Hopefully we'll get them back in soon. But yeah, she got Hibiscus and Blaze shades. And that, I believe is all of the customer orders. The rest is mostly bags that I purchased in a variety of shapes and sizes and colors. We've got these ones. We've got a stack of 50, I believe, of these brown paper bags. They do also say Avon on them. I need to sneeze. Okay, I think. No, it's still there. Then we got 50 of these bigger ones. They're slightly bigger than the others. And they also say Avon on them. Then we have more white ones with little handle. Smaller than those ones. Gee, that's right. And then we got even smaller ones. And they do say Avon on both sides. And smaller ones of the brown ones also. Avon branded. Next we have, I ordered 10 more of the current campaign. We are currently in campaign 7. I've been ordering more brochures. I needed even more, so I bought 10 more. And yeah. Okay, we got 10 more. And then next campaign, 8, that starts next Wednesday. The brochure, they're actually getting bigger. This is the current brochure. And they're getting bigger. So I got 1, 2, and 3. 30 brochures of the next campaign. There's a couple more of 7. Then we have the What's New for campaign 10. I love the What's News. These are only for representatives. They have lots of amazing deals for upcoming products. Ooh. I'll look at that later. What is this? Campaign 9. They threw in a single campaign 9 brochure. We're in campaign 7 right now. Then 8 and then 9. It is the same size as the 8s. And then there's the invoice that I'm not going to show you. And last but not least, some free samples that they throw in. And we've got Farmar X Super Greens Cooling Gel, 3 samples. I actually really love this line. And then a new vitamin C illuminating body serum. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this actually, so I'm excited. But yeah, that was it for this order. Look at this box. Look at this box. It's big. It's big box. It was pretty heavy. But yeah, that was my campaign 6 Avon order. Campaign 7 we're currently in campaign 7 until next Tuesday, the 11th, and then on Wednesday, the 12th, campaign 8 starts. I will put the links down below if you're interested in browsing the brochure, the digital brochure. You can flip through it page by page. I love it, and shop directly from it. Like, they have links to each and every product in it. If you're interested in any of the products that my customers ordered that I showed, I'll link those down below. What else? Or the samples? Anything else? I am wanting to make videos again more regularly. No promises though, because life has been chaotic to say the least. But I mean, I am still an Avon lady. I have and there are other videos that I would like to do, but again, No promises. That's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.